to Chateau Advent calendar vlogs, where every day of December we'll be showing you how we prepare for Christmas here at the Chateau.
Yep, we've got loads of tricks and tips for you, and if you don't want to miss a thing, hit subscribe, click the notification button, and you'll not miss anything.
Here's today's video.
So what marvellous craft have you got for us today, Stephanie?
Oh, a really good one today. My favourite thing at the Christmas table
Is...
crackers!
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 Well, seeing as you are a bit crackers...
Exactly.
I think that's why.
Fill your own crackers, because I don't like the little plasticky gift sometimes. It's quite nice to put something fun inside.
Okay.
But I want to make them a bit more in keeping with our table. So this year it's all about the set of Renaissance tapestries, La Dame et la Licorne. Does this look familiar to you?
Oh, the Lady and the Unicorn.
The Lady and the Unicorn. And so to go with the plates that we're having, I want the crackers to have actually the same design on. These are my Christmas plates.
Well, they're beautiful. Well,
Yeah, I was a bit naughty. They're from Philippe de Zoulière, which is one of the Limoges porcelain manufacturers.
So Limoges is like the French version of Stoke-on-Trent, where all the major pottery was made.
Incredible pottery being made there. And I always go to the factory shops because it's only about an hour and a half away. Every time I went into Philippe de Zoulière, I would be drawn to this because this is from the Lady and Unicorn tapestries, which are in Paris. And my mother had made a copy of one of the tapestries when I was a little girl, so they've always been really dear to my heart. But I couldn't justify buying them just to use at Christmas, so I kept putting it off and putting it off. One day, just a couple of months ago, I went in and there weren't many plates left, and I asked why, and they told me it had been discontinued and that's all that was left.
Oh no.
So I bought a set of 12. Do you want to see my mother's version now?
Can we?
Yeah, let's go through. There is my mother's version, obviously a lot smaller than the originals, but she did this by hand when I was a child. She used to make a lot of tapestries. She also made the huge tapestry next to it.
Wow, that's stunning.
So on Christmas Day, I'll move this tapestry into the dining room so that she's there as well.
Yeah. We've got to get this paper on these crackers.
Yeah.
We can do that. Well, let's have a look at this then.
Ooh, I know, I'm quite excited.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
Yeah, do you think it's going to look nice on the crackers?
Yes. Can I have a piece of this?
Yeah, of course you can. What do you want it for?
Just want a piece. I want it.
Because it's so beautiful.
Yeah, and it's really well printed.
Actually, I would like our entire dining room at Christmas to be based on this print.
Wow.
The idea of a cracker present is so exciting. You get this extra little gift at the beginning of the meal, but then some of them are a little bit disappointing. So it's quite nice to make your own gifts. The fill your own ones, they come with a hat, they come with a snap and with a little joke, and then you just put your own gift in. Some years I like to get everything from one country. So one year I just had little gifts from Venice in glass. Oh. That was really sweet. I haven't done that this year. This year I bought this really gorgeous French Banyuls, which is a fortified sweet wine. It's so good, and this is the one that Obama tasted when he went to the Élysée Palace in Paris, and he apparently had loads shipped back to the White House. Exactly the same vintage, 2008. So I'm going to put a little vial of this in every cracker. A vial. I've just ordered lots of little glass bottles. I hope they fit in. I haven't checked to see if they fit in a cracker yet. I hope they come with tops, because otherwise we're in a bit of trouble.
Well, now it's time to check. Pass me one.
Well, that hasn't got a top. Maybe there's some in the box. Yay! Whew.
So when they pull their cracker and the glass bottle flies out...
We'll tell people to be careful. Bring me solutions, not problems, Michael. We can just tell people to be careful when they open them.
Right.
Surely worth it to have a delicious drink in there. Oh, can you make little tiny labels that say "Drink me"?
I can.
Yes. Let's get making some crackers.
Let's do it. There's enough on each one of these.
Yeah.
To cover one cracker. Look, you push them in. It's the same width as the design. Let's make one.
Oh, and he's off like a ferret up a drain pipe. I'm cutting out squares of Lady and Unicorn for you, and I feel as though I'm at play school. Turns out it's actually quite a nice feeling.
I've already put the middle piece on.
Oh, nice.
I'm just going to line these ones up. Should work quite nicely.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And then...
I wondered why you'd left that bit longer. That's a great idea.
You did you?
How could I have doubted the master? the cracker master.
It's all been thought of, don't worry. I've just got to put the other end on it, and it's been folded over inside, so it looks pretty.
Looks gorgeous.
Can't attach the pattern to here.
Yeah.
Because it's just too
Then we'll have a nice bow there. That's the one. So those colours will go really nicely. It's like a Christmas elf sweatshop here.
His little fingers work to the bone.
Night and day. Michael, you've nailed it. That is exactly what I meant. Look what Michael's done, the little genius. So now I have to fill them with the banyuls and then put really pretty bows to finish them off, something a little bit grander than this that they come with. Reality of a chateau in December, always have a hot water bottle. And I couldn't find the funnel. It has gone missing, so I'm going to use the soy sauce dispenser.
Is that what that is?
Yes.
Well, if it works.
Well, it's got a tiny spout, so I think it might work. In with the banyuls. Oh, it's making me want to drink it now. And you could use different drinks in here. So for anybody maybe who's teetotal, you could put a really nice homemade syrup for them. And for other people, you might choose a nice whiskey that they would like. We're getting there now. Now we just need a little drink me label and it's complete. Artist at work. Beautiful. Oh, little golden bell. Perfect. What do you think?
I think it looks gorgeous.
Really cute, isn't it?
But
right,
will
in it goes.
It go in?
Yes, it will.
Make sure that lid's on tightly.
It is. Good point. Well phrased. Right, in it goes. Finishing touch. Because of Tom Smith, who invented the cracker, we are going to need some sugared almonds around Christmas. Doesn't seem very festive for the English, but apparently it was the French tradition of giving sugared almonds as gifts at parties that inspired Tom Smith to invent the first Christmas cracker in 1846.
Oh, so that was inspired directly from something French?
Yes. So the French were the inspiration behind the Christmas cracker. So I think we should maybe put a couple of sugared almonds into our make your own Christmas crackers this year.
Let's do that.
We're going to put some of the sugared almonds that inspired him in France in.
Oh, yes, please. I'll have one of those. They're so good.
Good to have a little bit of history in there too. So now we can tie that up. I like our Christmas craft evenings.
I do.
It's perfect. Feels so festive.
Sat by the fire.
Yeah. Doesn't get better than this. Correct amount of ribbon?
It's perfect. Just
Woo!
needed little dainty fingers.
So that's a way of buying fairly inexpensive, fill your own crackers and then making them into something very, very luxurious with a really fun gift inside that you know your guests will love. That's beautiful. And it's not as difficult as making a Christmas cracker from scratch. It actually hasn't taken too long.
No, it hasn't taken long at all.
So all you need is a box of fill your own Christmas crackers and Michael Petherick. And you can have this. Now we've just got quite a few more bows to put on.
Yeah, only 11 more. They do look super nice though, look at them. They look expensive, like they were bought like that. And with the bows, it really finishes them off.
Yeah.
I might have a cracker just here.
Oh, let's have a look, let's have a look. So this is why I've chosen a medieval theme for this Christmas.
I think you've done really well there.
I'm glad you like them. I'm so excited to lay the table for Christmas this year.
For a luxury Christmas cracker, that is definitely the thing to do.
Yes.
And you don't have to have your special paper printed like this. You can just use nice wrapping paper or something.
Yeah, any
anything.
paper that you love. This is great. It's going to be absolutely perfect for the table on Christmas Day. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.